Say goodbye to frustration. These tools are designed to make every job faster, easier, and more precise. From cutting and trimming to drilling, sanding and cleaning, each gadget delivers professional-level performance, unmatched control, and the power you need to get the job done right. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, these innovative tools will save you time, reduce fatigue, and make every project a breeze. Get ready to upgrade your workshop and tackle any task with confidence. Born on a busy workbench where precision counts, the Milescraft 8409 MC Square 150 is a compact, durable framing square built for accurate measuring and marking. Made from 3mm anodized aluminum, it offers reliable strength and precision. Its 6-inch by 14 size suits small to mid-size projects with inside and outside scales, 4/4-inch notch spacing, scribing slots, 30 degrees and 45 degrees angle guides, and a removable fence for stable, efficient layout work. The Milwaukee May M18 Fuel 10-gauge Nibbler 347620 delivers pro-level metal cutting power with speed and precision. Its power-state trumpshless motor makes clean cuts through 10-gauge steel and 12-gauge stainless with ease, including tight 2-inch radius curves. Variable speed control, tool-free die rotation, LED lighting, and a chip collection bag boost accuracy and productivity, while the compact, lightweight design ensures comfort and mobility on demanding job sites. The Skil PWR Core 20 TIMP brushless 20V 6.5 circular saw is built for powerful, precise and efficient cutting. Designed by the inventors of the circular saw, it delivers reliable performance across woodworking and DIY tasks. The brushless motor provides longer life, higher efficiency, and smooth cutting under load. Powered by the PWR Core 20 TIMP lithium battery, it offers cordless freedom and extended runtime. Lightweight and ergonomic, it ensures better control, less fatigue, and professional. The Milescraft 1333 Dowel Jig Kit is an upgraded self-centering doweling jig built for fast, accurate, and dependable joinery. Ideal for corner, edge, and surface joints, it ensures precise alignment with minimal effort. The kit includes hardened steel bushings, clean holes. It supports boards from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch thick, with steel depth stops for consistent drilling and steel dowel centers for accurate hole marking. Perfect for DIYers and professionals alike. The Skil PWR Core 20 Timmins brushless 20V 6-inch pruning saw kit is designed for precise, light-duty pruning. Its 6-inch bar and chain allow easy one-handed cutting of branches, shrubs, and small limbs. The brushless motor delivers consistent power and long tool life, while the PWR Core 20 Timmins lithium battery offers cordless freedom and extended runtime. Ergonomic design ensures comfort, control, and reduced fatigue, making it ideal for homeowners and garden enthusiasts. The Milwaukee Upeye MX Fuel TIM 14-inch cutoff saw MXF 3V1 Fine delivers true 14-inch gas-like power without emissions or fuel. Its power-state TIM brushless motor powers through concrete, rebar, and ductile iron, while the rapid-stop TIM blade brake with kickback control stops the blade in under 3 seconds for safety. Quieter, low-vibration operation boosts comfort, and dual MX Fuel Red Lithium Forge XC 8.0 batteries provide long runtime and fast charging. The Skill 20V 12-inch pivoting head string trimmer kit offers versatile 2-in-1 trimming and edging for effortless lawn care. Its pivoting head ensures precise cutting along fences, garden beds, and hard-to-reach spots. Powered by Eskills 20V battery, it delivers consistent cordless performance and long runtime. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces fatigue while providing excellent control and maneuverability, making yard maintenance simple, efficient, and professional. The Milescraft 1409 track saw guide is a premium straight-edge solution for clean, precise cuts with most 7¼ circular saws. Its all-metal construction minimizes flex for improved accuracy. The 50-inch cutting range can extend further, with optional guide rail extensions, perfect for ripping full plywood sheets. Low-profile design handles depths over for doors and thick stock, while the red cutting strip ensures straight cuts and reduces splintering. Easy to use and versatile. The Skill 12V20V Power Scrubber makes cleaning quick and effortless on tubs, tiles, siding, decks, and patios. Interchangeable quick-release brushes let you switch tasks easily, while Skill's 12V or 20V battery system delivers cordless freedom, reliable power, and long runtime. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces fatigue and provides professional quality results for all indoor and outdoor cleaning jobs. The Milwaukee Play M118 Team Brushless String Trimmer 22828 delivers professional-grade cutting in a lightweight, easy-to-handle design. Its brushless motor reaches up to 6,200 RPM to tackle thick grass and dense brush, while RedLink TIM Intelligence and the M118 Red Lithium High-Output XC6.0 battery ensure efficient power and longer runtime. Variable speed trigger and high-low modes provide precise control, and the 16-inch cutting swath with quick-line loading boosts productivity. The Skill 40V Brushless 530 CFM Leaf Blower Kit delivers powerful, efficient cleanup with up to 530 CFM of air. Its digital brushless motor moves leaves, debris, and clippings without gas, fumes, or extra maintenance. Powered by PWR Core 40 Timplints lithium batteries, it offers long runtime and reliable cordless performance. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces fatigue while giving precise control, making yard cleanup faster, easier, and more efficient for homeowners and outdoor enthusiasts. The Goldblatt 4-inch trim puller is a versatile tool for trim removal in both commercial and home projects. Its wide, flat contact surface removes baseboards, molding, siding, and flooring with minimal wall or trim damage. The 15-degree wedged center and built-in spring boost efficiency, while carbon and 65 Menon steel construction with a corrosion-resistant finish ensures durability, making it ideal for remodeling cabinets, countertops, tiles, and flooring with professional-grade precision. The Skill 40V 24-inch hedge trimmer kit delivers cordless, gas-free trimming with a brushless motor and PWR Core 40 Timplints lithium battery for consistent power and long runtime. Its 24-inch dual-action blade makes clean, precise cuts, while the lightweight, ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended use, making hedge and shrub trimming faster and easier. Perfect for homeowners and garden enthusiasts seeking efficient, powerful, professional quality results. The Milwaukee Play M12 Time Auto Shop Borescope 3151 speeds up inspections and repair approvals in busy shops. Its 5.5-inch HD touchscreen lets technicians capture photos and videos, annotate with drawings, text or audio, and trim clips on the device. Built-in Wi-Fi enables fast file sharing. The 5mm camera reaches tight spaces, while front and side view cameras with adjustable LEDs ensure clear visibility. M12 Time battery compatibility enhance productivity and tool longevity. The Skil Compact Brushless Flip Drill Driver is designed for speed, precision, and versatility in a compact form. This 20-volt flip drill set includes a brushless flip drill, 20-watt USB-C charger, charging cable, belt clip, PH2 bit, and 4 HSS hex shank bits. The innovative double collet flip head lets you switch instantly between drilling and driving with a simple twist. Its slim, compact design reaches tight corners easily, while electronic torque adjustment with display ensures perfect control. The Milescraft 1315 hook driver is a durable, impact-ready drill attachment that makes driving hooks fast and controlled. Compatible with corded drills, cordless drills, and impact drivers, it features a detachable T-shaped handle for added comfort and control. The 1/4" hex shaft fits standard screwdriver bit holders, and it works with any hex bit for added versatility. It's ideal for installing screw, cup, and eye hooks accurately, while reducing hand strain and improving efficiency. The Skil 40V brushless 10-inch pole saw kit delivers powerful cordless cutting with a high-efficiency brushless motor for strong, consistent performance and extended runtime. Powered by PWR Core 40TME lithium technology, it provides long battery life and reliable operation. Ideal for trimming high branches from the ground, its balanced, ergonomic design offers improved reach, control, and reduced fatigue, making it a dependable solution for both homeowners and professionals. The Milwaukee PM18 TIM brushless blower 3044 delivers powerful, consistent clearing with 450 CFM, 120 mph airspeed, and 11 newtons of blowing force. Its brushless motor ensures efficiency, while quiet 62 dBA operation and a lightweight 4.4-pound design reduce fatigue. Variable speed trigger and lock-on button provide precise airflow control. Fully compatible with the M18 TIM system, it offers reliable performance for job site and workshop cleanup. The Skil 40V 14-inch chainsaw kit delivers gas-like power without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. It easily cuts tree limbs, firewood, and handles yard cleanup with smooth, consistent performance. Powered by a 40V battery, it offers strong cordless cutting power. Lightweight and balanced, it improves control and reduces fatigue, while quick startup and easy operation make it ideal for homeowners and DIY users seeking efficient, reliable electric chainsaw performance.